Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification whenever I load a new video. Guys, I'm actually going to the soap shop. I want to make soap. I used to make soap for sale, but because of my exams I didn't really have time for it. So I said, okay, if not, why not? Exam is done, let me make soap. So I'm going to be going to the soap shop to buy some things I'm going to use to make the soap. Follow me with your eyes as we go to the soap shop. Happy weekend, everybody. I hope people are all enjoying your weekend. Bye. See you in the soap shop.
These are the ingredients I used for my liquid soap. I'm raising it up one at a time. Guys, please kindly go to my description box and get out the names of the ingredients I use for this wonderful liquid soap. Can you all see me raising them? I'm raising them up one at a time to show you the ingredients I use for this liquid soap I made. This particular liquid soap I made is the best I've ever made. The smell is really very nice. Watch me as I start mixing. I'm going to take out 1 cup of water from the 20 liters of water I put in a bowl. I'm going to mix out 3 ingredients aside: the STTP, the soda ash, and the caustic soda. Guys, please, when you are mixing, it is advisable for you to use a glove. But because I don't have a glove right now, I'm going to make use with my hands. But I'll also be careful, because after now, I'll go and wash my hands, because these ingredients are very, very corrosive. So you have to use it. You have to use gloves if you can use. Look at me mixing. I'm mixing it to make sure all the particles dissolve very well in the water. I'm going to mix it very well. I'm going to keep mixing and mixing. And after then, I'll then put it aside. I've mixed enough. I'm going to go to the next step by mixing out another nice ingredients I used. Look at me. I brought out 1 cup of water, again from the 20 liters of water I put in that white bowl. I'm going to be mixing the XLS, which is like rice. The XLS makes the liquid soup to foam when you make it. So I'm going to be mixing it aside in another 1 cup of water. I'm going to mix it very well and allow it to dissolve very well to make sure all the particles dissolve very well in the water. Can you all see me pouring it? And I want to start mixing. Watch me as I mix. I'm going to mix it very well for a very long time. I'm still starting to mix. I'm pouring it still to make sure that all the particles are poured into the bowl very, very well. And I want to start mixing. Watch me as I mix. I want to start mixing, everybody. Watch me as I mix. I'll mix it. I'll mix and mix and mix. I'm still mixing. I'm mixing it to make sure all the particles in the water dissolves very well. I'm still mixing. I'm still mixing. I'm mixing. I'm mixing it, guys. I'm mixing it very well. Can you all see me mixing? While mixing, you have to be careful and make sure you really mix it very well. And after then, I'll keep it aside. Now I'm ready to mix everything. I poured the 20 liters of water in this big bowl. And after then, I poured into the 20 liters of water the soda ash that I mixed, the caustic soda and the STTP. After it has dissolved, I poured it into that big bowl of water there. Can you see me mixing it? I'm still mixing. I'm ready to make my liquid soap now. I'm mixing to make sure the particles dissolve in the 20 liters of water very, very well. I'm still mixing, everybody. I'm mixing, guys. I'm still mixing. I'm mixing it. While mixing, you have to be careful. This is really a strength work. Sometimes when you finish mixing, you get tired. But if not, why not? You're making liquid soup. You have to mix it properly
so that all the particles will dissolve very well. After then, I will take the next ingredient that I dissolved, which is the XLX. I'll pour it into the big 20 liters of water and I'll start mixing. I'll mix and mix and mix to make sure it dissolves very well in the big water. Remember, I told you that XLS usually makes the soap to foam. So I will not stop at that. I will still keep mixing. I'll mix and mix and mix, mix and mix and mix until all the soap, all the XLS dissolves in the water very well. I will not stop mixing. I'll keep mixing. I'll mix and mix. You have to mix for a very long time. After then, I will take my Texapon, which is quite, can you see my Texapon? I'll pour it into the big bowl of water because I'm ready to make the big liquid soap. You remember what I told you, that while pouring, you can also decide to wear your gloves. But because I don't have gloves, I use my hands, which I'll wash after now. So I want to start mixing. Guys, I'm still mixing. I'll mix and mix and mix until all the ingredients dissolve in the water very well. I will not stop mixing. I'm still mixing. I'll keep mixing, guys. I'll mix and mix and mix. I'll mix it very, very well until all the ingredients dissolve very well in the water. After then, I will then take my Nitrosol. Can you see? Which is green in color. I'll pour it into the big bowl of water. Can you see me pouring? I'm still pouring, everybody. I'll pour it very, very well. Can you see it? And I want to start mixing. I'll mix and mix and mix, mix and mix and mix. I'm still mixing, everybody. I'll mix to make sure it dissolves in the water very, very well. I'll keep mixing. Mix and mix and mix and mix. I'm still mixing. I'll mix until all the particles are not found in the water to make sure the liquid soap is smooth. That is why you should mix very, very well. I'll keep mixing. I'll keep mixing. I'll keep mixing. I'll keep mixing. Can you see me mixing, guys? I'm still mixing. After then, I will not stop. I will take my foam booster. I'll put it. Can you see my foam booster? I'll put it in the bowl of big water. I'm still mixing. I'm still mixing. Guys, the ingredients are actually in my description box. You can go there and check it for yourself if you want to make one for yourself. Can you see? I'm still mixing. I'll mix and mix and mix to make sure all the ingredients dissolves properly. I'm still mixing, guys. I'm mixing. I'm not stopping. I'm still mixing, everybody. I'm mixing, guys. I'm mixing. I'm mixing. After then, I will then take my perfume. The perfume to make sure. Before the perfume, I'm going to take out my coloring that I will use to give my liquid soap a color. I want it to be green in color. Can you see? I've mixed it in the water. I'm going to be pouring it into the big bowl that has other ingredients. Can you see me pouring? I'm pouring it into the big bowl. Can you see? I have poured it. Can you see? Can you see? I'm still mixing. I'm still mixing, guys. I'll mix and mix and mix until all the ingredients dissolve in the water very, very well. I'm still mixing, guys. I'm still mixing. I'm still mixing, guys. I'm still mixing. After then, I will then take the last one, which is my perfume. I will then pour the perfume into the bowl. Can you all see me pouring it? I'm still mixing. And I've poured all the ingredients that I need for myself. Ta-da!